if we look at the unbuffered version, okay, so we have our go routine, which is going to be our sender, we have a channel, and we have our receiver. Okay, so again, we're going to have a channel which is shared throughout the execution. Whenever a sender sends something into an unbuffered, so say we have some message to send, this will then block. It will wait until something else comes along and reads the message from the channel. Okay, so this will literally stop execution on that particular line and wait for the read. Okay, so in this case, we can say that the sender waits. Okay. Then if we have the other side, again, we have a channel. If the receiving go routine is coming along and it has a read from the channel, if nothing is in the channel, then this is going to block until something appears. Okay, so we need another go routine to come along, and then for this to send something into the channel. Okay, so it's only whenever something appears in this channel that the receiver will get to continue. Okay, and in this case, we can understand that the receiver waits. Okay, that's a unbuffered channel. Now, if we take the other case, if we go for a buffered channel, so in this case, we have the same setup. We have a sender, a channel, and a receiver. But here, our channel, we now imagine that there's not just one spot in the channel. We can actually have multiple. And in this case, we can see the channel has 2 spots, okay, throughout the interaction. In this case now, if we have a sender coming along, a go routine, and if it sends something into the channel, it won't block, okay? It gets to go immediately and continue on with its execution. However, if nothing is read from the channel, okay, so if there's no one on the other end reading these messages, and we send another, I should draw the channel. Okay, if we then fill this up, okay, once the buffer is full, then we will actually block on the sender side. Okay, so even though we have this, we can send something, we will eventually block once the buffer is full. And of course, what we need to happen is for a reader to come along and start taking these out before we can start to use it again.